Well, Darren's back. It's November 28th. Let's see, we got a fish on there. What do you got there? We're
I don't know, Woody feels pretty good.
Fishing right out in front of the resort here.
November 28th on Rainy Lake. Are you kidding me? In a boat?
Yeah, you don't get too many years like this. Let's see here.
Looks like a decent fish.
Oh, yeah.
Don't know what it is yet.
Well, let's see here. Keep it coming. Well,
I saw it. I don't know what it was.
staying down like a walleye.
Yeah, it's fighting like a walleye.
Oh, no, Pike. Piker. Decent pike, though. Decent pike.
Absolutely.
Nice and fat this time of year, aren't they?
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Nice
It's a 10 or 11 pounder. Look at that, Woody. Oh, nice there.
Huh?
Oh, man. What a beauty. Let me take a good look at that. Let me take a good look at that. Oh.
November 28th, my man. That's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful weather. Good time. Good
nice
friends.
Fish.
Beautiful fish. Well, let's put that baby back in the water.
Just want to let go of that bait.
Oh, he really took her, didn't he?
Absolutely.
What is that? That's a Rapala, one of them slash baits? Or?
That is a, yeah. What do they call those, Woody? Come on.
I know that. That's a...
Fisher would not be impressed.
No, Mark Fisher would be mad at me.
X-Wrap.
X-Wrap. There you go.
That is a nice fish.
Beautiful. Here, let's put him right in the water over here. Oh, yeah. Very nice, Darren. There he goes. Nice job. Darren Eilertson, November 28th.
Thank you, sir. Nice fish.